everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. And for the new viewers, thank you for tuning in. My name is Alaris and I'm the founder and owner of Morning Tea Inspiration, where I handmade candles, wax melts, body soaps, scrubs, and butters. And on this channel is where I share my entire business making journey with you. Some of you may already be in this line of business and you know that business and sales overall can significantly decrease in the months of January through March, and sometimes it can carry over through April and maybe even May, depending on your demographics and where you sell. So I decided to use this downtime as an opportunity to try to catch up and get organized for the upcoming season, and that includes editing and posting old videos that I didn't really have time to shoot before. So today's video takes place in Gastonia, North Carolina. It's called Christmas in the City, and this is where the lighting of the tree took place. I already knew that I was going to have to vendor and set up by myself, so I tried to be real efficient in how I packed and the amount of products that I bought. So I stumbled across some containers in Lowe's, and I love these containers because they fit an ample amount of product, even though this one's currently empty. But I can fit about 12 candles in here. I can fit maybe 10 soaps, body butters, and scrubs. But really I like this because I can put my products in here and they fit tightly. They don't have much jiggle room, so they don't break. And what I also like about this is once I'm finished setting my products up on my display table, I can stack them inside of each other, and I just slide that underneath the table. I don't like a lot of clutter around my table. When I set up, I want people just to see what I'm selling. I don't want them to be distracted by totes and wagons and dollies. So being able to compact all of my traveling and storage materials and just sliding them under the table, it's really appealing to the eye, and it doesn't take away from your display. This event wasn't as busy as I thought it was going to be. I was able to make my money back for the cost of the booth, which was $40, and I made a little bit back on top of that. So it was okay. It was a good experience. You always meet new people and nice people, but I'm not 100% sold if I'm going to vendor this event next season. So that's something I'm definitely going to think about throughout this year. So with no further ado, here's a brief snippet of my setup and pictures of the final display. sums up the video for today. I know it's kind of short, but since I was by myself, it was just a little bit difficult trying to set up and get a whole bunch of different shots with my cameras. So as time progresses, I'll have more videos and longer videos as I go through this journey. So thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe and hit that little bell notification so you can get notified when new videos post. Thank you, everyone. Until next time.